Hi! Don't do that to me. This is Elad. Elad Avraham.
How old is he?
He is almost 6 weeks old. Tomorrow at 6:30 at night, he'll be 6 weeks old.
6:35.
6:35. And he's just at one side. He's gonna get cranky soon, and he's gonna want the other side, right? Yeah. Right? Are you gonna
He's
fall?
falling asleep.
No.
You're in the middle of your meal.
If you fall asleep now, you'll wake up hungry in 2 minutes, screaming and yelling. Don't tell anyone, but you're a bit grumpy.
Make him smile. Oh, wait.
Again? Smile! Yeah! Coochie! More?
What do you have to say for yourself, young man? What?
Hi!
He has something to say.
So, yalla, say it. What do you want to say? Come out with it. Come on. Let's go.
He's like somebody who lost his ability to speak. All he can do is make wild hand gestures.
We're not laughing at you, we're laughing with you.
Folks, this is one funny child.
You don't say, really? Really, yes. Yes. Show Abba your blue eyes. Show Abba the pretty blue eyes.
Look at those eyes. Don't smash your head into the camera. Moving so much. Like, look at Abba. Look at the Kelly.
Okay.